Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete autocomplete email address on Outlook. This is particularly useful when old or incorrect email addresses keep popping up as suggestions, cluttering your workflow, and potentially causing you to send emails to the wrong contacts. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox is visible before moving forward. This ensures that all your settings are properly loaded and ready to be modified. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to access the backend settings of Outlook. This is where you'll find all the configuration options that control how Outlook behaves and manages your email experience. Once the File menu has opened, look at the very bottom part of your File menu. From here, you'll see the Options button. Click on Options and an Outlook Options window will appear. This window is your gateway to customizing nearly every aspect of how Outlook functions, from the appearance of your inbox to how it handles email suggestions. Now, if you're having troubles with email addresses being auto-completed in your TOW, CC, and BCC fields, I'll walk you through disabling this feature. Look at the left side menu and click on Mail. This section controls all the settings related to composing, sending, and managing your emails. Under the Mail section, scroll down until you find the Send Messages option. This is where Outlook stores the settings that affect how your emails are composed and sent. From here, look for the checkbox that says Use Autocomplete List to suggest names when typing in the TOW, CC, and BCC lines. Simply disable it by removing the check from the checkbox. By unchecking this option, you're telling Outlook to stop suggesting email addresses based on your previous entries, which eliminates those outdated or incorrect suggestions from appearing. Once you've removed the check, click on OK to save your changes. Outlook will apply the new settings immediately, and the next time you compose an email, you'll notice that the autocomplete suggestions no longer appear in your address fields. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the autocomplete feature in Outlook, giving you cleaner and more controlled email composition. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.